find this dog. So I told you, like, you think one thing's happening and then something else happens. So best of luck.
Merhaba arkadaşlar. Şu anda bir keçimiz dağda kaldı. Bir köpeğimiz de gelmedi. Şu anda dağa gidiyoruz. Keçimiz de kayıp, köpeğimiz de kayıp. Şimdi onları bulmaya çalışacağız. Keçi doğum yapacaktı. Büyük ihtimal keçi doğum yaptı, dağda kaldı. Şimdi gelen misafir arkadaşlarla beraber dağa doğru yolculuk yapıyoruz. Kangal köpeği, Bambam torunu, o da yok.
Yeah.
Buna kadar çoban bulamadım. Oyunları kurbana yetiştireceğim.
Well, I've just gone chilling, walking down. Am I meant to take the thing with us, or because if something comes running out of them bushes,
I'm pushing you in the way.
I'm getting the car running with the thing over.
Same.
So we've just been out for a few hours. We've looked everywhere. We've set off alarm like with a blank. We've been calling for him, but now we've been told that basically on the neighbouring mountain they also have a flock in which there was a wolf apparently this morning that he chased. Don't know what happened to the wolf or with him, but then he ended up returning with that flock to their village. I think he's here apparently.
So this is the neighbouring shepherd. So I think we may have found him.
O adama gelen o mu?
Okay, he's got his own dogs here as well.
Yaklaşma adama.
So the dog may attack us because it's late night right now. So we've got him just looking for
Bizi ısıttırma da.
a few dogs there. So man, I hope we find the dog.
He's only young. So we've come to the neighbouring village that apparently has been seen, but they have Kangal here who are human aggressive now. It's basically just protecting because it's at night. The guy we're with isn't afraid, but he's gone to us to stay in the car just in case. So he's gone out with the other guy, I think, where the flock is to call for him. So
hopefully we
inshallah they find him.
So we found him. He's all good. No problem.
Felaket bitler ha. Burada gidiyor adam bu itler ha.
Wolf, kurt.
Bu ha, yes. Ben çoban.
Çoban.
Yok yakalamamış.
Just chase.
Hadi o dağlara koyalım. Bunlar kral. Kral var ya kral. Fotoğraf çekti kral.
Kral.
Amca Zeus oğlu.
Yeah,
Zeus.
Amka.
Zeus oğlu ha.
Ha. Yeah.
Oğlu.
His son.
Bu.
We're glad he's found.
Ha bu. Bunlar bu. İkisi beraber kurt.
Oh, they went together.
Two.
As you do, just dump it in there, close it, and off we go.
Köpeğimizi bulduk. Keçiyi bulamadık. Köpeğimiz kurt kovalamış. Yan köydeki çoban arkadaş kralla beraber kurdu kovaladıklarını söyledi. Kral eve döndü. Bu eve dönmedi. Bu yan köydeki sürüye gitmiş yani. Şimdi köpeğimizi aldık, götürüyoruz yavruyu. Bambam'ın oğlunu. Birebir söylüyor. Çok azılı, çok güzel diyor. Bu köpekler burada çöktüğünü birebir gördüm.
So we're just having some food.
Pilav, salata. Şimdi yemek de geliyor.
So
My balls healthy.
great. So we're just gonna eat. So
Yeah,
so we're gonna end the video here.
can do, yeah.
Yeah. So just end it.
But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little episode. we'll do another lot of recordings tomorrow, inshallah. And yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, hopefully you guys like.
We got some of this as well.
Hopefully you guys liked. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.